Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. The subject is maths. Prime number is related to maths. What is prime numbers? What is prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers that are divisible by 1 and the number itself. Prime numbers are numbers that are divisible by 1 and the number itself. Prime number between 1 and 100. Prime number between 1 and 100. That is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Then 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53. Then 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. There are 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. The topic is related to prime number. What is prime number? Prime numbers are numbers that are divisible by 1 and the number itself. There are 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. Thank you all. എല്ലാവരും ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യും, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക് യു.